wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best rolling tool cabinets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Rubbermaid 773488 is a lightweight and moderately rugged hardware storage solution that can hold up to 250 pounds of equipment. In addition to its 5 drawers, its pegboard side panels provide additional and convenient organization. It comes with a built-in cord wrap and a locking bar that holds the drawers in place. However, note that the bins can buckle with too much weight. At number 9, there aren't many places you and your stuff can't go with the Stalwart 754650, which features 3 steel boxes that can be used together and also as standalone units if need be. A fold-open lid allows enough room for large gear to be stored in the bottom bin. There are sections for small parts and it's ideal for holding power tools, but it's difficult to haul upstairs. Coming in at number 8 on our list, combining 4 storage options in one, the Stanley fatmax 020800R is a multi-level cantilever-style workstation that's easy to move around when closed but provides quick access to all of its components when opened. For that reason, it's perfect for handy persons on the go. It's got a groove on the lid for holding lumber and a telescopic handle for easy pulling, though the wheels are a little cheap. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, maybe you already have a full-size cabinet and just need a little something to hold odds and ends. In that case, check out the WEN 73015 Garage Glider. It stacks 3 drawers under a thickly cushioned seat you can park your bum on between jobs. The padding is covered in protective vinyl and it includes 2 folding magnetic storage trays, but there's not much space for large equipment. Moving up our list to number 6. The Homak 27-inch Professional sits at the intersection of fair price and decent quality, and its size works for most garages and workshops. It's not overly large, and its durable wheels and rubber handles allow it to be pushed around easily. It's available in 3 colors and equipped with brakes on 2 of the casters. However, the drawers can be difficult to open. Halfway up our list at number 5, the narrow Viper V1804 BLR Salon cart makes it ideal for small workshops where space is limited. It still holds a lot of stuff though, and includes several small drawers and a large compartment at the bottom for power tools. It features a powder-coated finish and sturdy aluminum drawer pulls. It comes in 4 vibrant colors. At number 4, the Craftsman 1000 series comes with a chest on top with plenty of room for wrenches, screwdrivers and ratchet sets. The bottom area has a large panel door that slides out of the way to give you unencumbered access to anything within. The drawers operate smoothly and a hinge keeps the lid open when it's in use. It's made in the USA. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the 12-drawer Seville Classics Ultra HD not only gives you a place to keep your favorite hardware, but also a large surface upon which to use them during whatever project you have going on. Its heavy-duty all-steel frame looks sleek and clean. The doors shut flush with the body, and it includes a smooth hardwood bench. It's good for commercial kitchens as well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, even with 100 pounds of gear in each of them, the drawers in the Stanley Proto J442735 still pull out smoothly, thanks to high-quality ball-bearing slides. The aluminum extruded handles look great and won't rust due to perspiration or other moisture. It's equipped with polyurethane casters, drawer liners, and a durable paint finish. And coming in at number 1 on our list, for something that will last a lifetime, check out the Milwaukee 48-22-8510. It's constructed from heavy-duty 20-gauge steel with strong welds at all the seams. The foldable top comes with 2 lift supports to make it easy to access your equipment. It features a battery charging station, 2 barrel locks, and bumpers to prevent scuffs. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for rolling tool cabinets, or simply click beneath this video.